So I wanted to hop on today and really quick just talking about something called the stick. It comes in a bunch of different sizes, but I've had some requests to kind of show people rolling. So in my rolling videos, I've shown this a lot. So the reason is because sometimes when you're using this foam roller, either once you get your weight over on top of it, it's hard to hold yourself up, or it takes a lot more effort from your upper body and your legs to really limit how much weight am I putting through this foam roller. So if you struggle with, hey, this is super beyond painful, or getting into these positions is kind of difficult, I recommend using something called the stick. And the reason I like this is because these little knobbies move, and because they move, it makes this smoother roll over on your skin and on your clothes, as opposed to like a rolling pin, which you can absolutely use, but it just provides a little bit of a nicer experience with it. But you basically do it the same way. So you can do it sitting or laying like me. Take your hands on both sides. It's got this nice comfy grip. Put it on your leg and you just kind of roll. And we're not going for over that joint, but I've got some other videos kind of showing how to roll different areas. But just kind of, you can go on that inside of your leg, quad, outside towards the IT band. The other thing I really like is if you're sitting, it's a little easier, but you can do your calf. And I can actually get more force with this, with that pinpointedness of these little knobs, than I can on the foam roller. I'm just able to put force a little bit differently than I can with the foam roller. So this is really great for spots like that. So I find that for the calf and for kind of that upper leg, this is really helpful. It does come in different sizes. This is the red version, which I believe is the normal one. I'll put a link below. I've had this for probably 8 years, and it still looks pretty new, except just some scruffs on here, but it's also traveled the country with me and been in a physical therapy clinic. So it has lasted. I haven't had any issues, and I'm a huge fan of it. So it also adds as you can use it even to like grab if your dog puts toys underneath places it can't reach, you can use it. So that's its secondary use for me. But I hope that helps. I'm a huge fan. If you like it, go ahead and comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. And I hope that helps some of you guys out for that rolling change. So it's really useful for when you're in different positions. Instead of getting on the floor, kind of being in a chair, doing it at your desk. These are really awesome. So yeah, hope that helps some of you guys out.